Hi friends, this video shows how to connect WitBlox Dark Sensor to Blix. So here I am going to connect this WitBlox Dark Sensor and motor driver to Blix Motor. So for that I will be using this RJ11 adapter. See, so this adapter you can see I already connected to this WitBlox motor driver. As you know, Blix has this RJ11 cable, so we need this adapter. So I have created another video there I explained how to create this adapter. You can watch that video. So let me test this. So I am going to connect this RJ11 cable to this adapter. Okay, done. Then I am going to connect this power battery. Let me connect battery to WitBlox. Done. Then turn on. So here I am using this dark sensor. So let me test. See, it's working. So we can also reverse. Okay, so this way we can connect WitBlox Dark Sensor to Blix. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.